Amidst the rolling hills of the countryside, where the tall grasses danced to the rhythm of the wind, and the ancient trees whispered secrets to those who listened, there lay a hidden clearing beneath a vast expanse of stars. It was here, in this serene pocket of nature, that a group of friends had gathered for a camping trip unlike any other. As twilight painted the sky in hues of orange and purple, the friends arrived one by one, their laughter mingling with the chirping of crickets and the distant call of owls. They pitched their tents in a circle, creating a makeshift haven beneath the towering canopy of the forest. Among them was Sarah, with her wild curls and adventurous spirit, who had suggested the trip as a way to escape the monotony of everyday life. There was Jack, with his easy smile and knack for storytelling, who always managed to turn the simplest of moments into grand adventures. Then there was Emily, with her quiet grace and keen eye for beauty, who found solace in the tranquil embrace of nature. Together, they kindled a crackling campfire at the heart of their campsite, its warm glow illuminating their faces as they settled in for the night. Around the fire, they shared tales of past adventures and childhood dreams, their voices rising and falling like the gentle cadence of a lullaby. Jack regaled them with stories of his travels across distant lands, where he had scaled towering mountains and traversed treacherous deserts in search of hidden treasures. Sarah recounted her daring escapades through dense jungles and winding rivers, where danger lurked around every corner and the promise of discovery beckoned at every turn. And Emily spoke of her quiet explorations of forgotten ruins and mist-shrouded forests, where time seemed to stand still and the echoes of the past whispered through the trees. As the night deepened and the stars began to emerge, casting their shimmering light upon the world below, the friends fell into a comfortable silence, their thoughts drifting like leaves upon the wind. They gazed up at the celestial tapestry above them, tracing constellations with their fingertips and marveling at the infinite beauty of the universe. In that moment, beneath the watchful gaze of the stars, they felt a profound sense of connection to the world around them and to each other. They were bound by a shared love of adventure, a deep appreciation for the wonders of nature, and a friendship that transcended time and space. And so, as the fire dwindled to embers and the night grew still, the friends wrapped themselves in blankets and settled beneath the vast expanse of stars, their hearts full and their souls at peace. For in that hidden clearing, beneath the canopy of the forest, they had found something truly magical, a moment of pure serenity amidst the chaos of the world. Days turned into weeks, weeks into months, and the memory of that magical camping trip lingered in the hearts and minds of Sarah, Jack, and Emily long after they had returned to their bustling lives. But as the seasons shifted and the world around them transformed, fate had other plans in store for the intrepid trio. It was a crisp autumn morning when Sarah received a mysterious letter, its parchment yellowed with age and its edges frayed from years of handling. Curiosity piqued, she carefully unfolded the weathered paper, her eyes widening in astonishment as she read the elegant script that adorned its surface. The letter spoke of a long-forgotten legend, whispered among the ancient trees and hidden valleys of the countryside, a tale of a mythical artifact known as the Starlight Amulet, said to possess the power to unlock the secrets of the universe itself. According to the legend, the amulet lay hidden deep within the heart of the forest, guarded by trials of fire and shadow, waiting to be discovered by those brave enough to seek it out. Enthralled by the promise of adventure, Sarah wasted no time in sharing the news with Jack and Emily, their excitement bubbling over like a pot on the verge of boiling over. Together, they pored over maps and ancient texts, piecing together clues and unraveling riddles in pursuit of the elusive artifact that had captured their imaginations. With supplies packed and hearts alight with anticipation, the trio set out once more into the wilderness, their spirits soaring as they ventured deeper into the unknown. They followed winding paths and hidden trails, their senses attuned to the subtle rhythms of the forest and the whispered secrets of the trees. As they journeyed onward, they encountered challenges, both physical and emotional, confronting their deepest fears and overcoming obstacles that tested the very limits of their courage. They traversed rushing rivers and treacherous ravines, scaled towering cliffs, and delved into caverns cloaked in darkness, each trial bringing them one step closer to their ultimate goal. But it was not just the physical landscape that they navigated. It was also the landscape of their own hearts, where doubts and insecurities lingered like shadows in the night. They grappled with uncertainty and fear, wrestling with the weight of expectations and the lure of the unknown. But through it all, they found strength in each other and in the unbreakable bond that bound them together. And so, guided by the light of friendship and fueled by the fire of determination, they pressed onward, their eyes fixed upon the distant horizon where destiny awaited. With every step, they drew closer to the heart of the forest, where the secrets of the ancients lay hidden beneath the shadow of the stars. At long last, after days of endless wandering and countless trials endured, they reached the fabled clearing where the Starlight Amulet awaited. its radiance shimmering like a beacon in the darkness. With trembling hands and hearts pounding with anticipation, they unearthed the artifact from its ancient resting place, feeling the pulse of its power course through their veins like lightning in the sky. In that moment, as the forest echoed with the song of birds and the rustle of leaves, Sarah, Jack, and Emily stood together beneath the vast expanse of stars, their eyes alight with wonder and awe. For they had embarked on a journey not just of adventure, but of discovery, a journey that had led them not only to the ends of the earth, but to the depths of their own souls. And as they gazed up at the celestial tapestry above them, they knew that their adventures had only just begun, their hearts filled with the promise of new horizons and untold wonders yet to come. For in the embrace of friendship and the magic of the natural world, anything was possible, and the stars themselves were but the beginning of their endless journey through the cosmos. As the seasons shifted once again, the lives of Sarah, Jack, and Emily continued to intertwine, like the branches of the ancient trees they had come to cherish. Their discovery of the starlight amulet had ignited a spark within them, a hunger for adventure, a thirst for knowledge, and a deep-seated longing to explore the wonders of the world beyond. Emboldened by their previous triumph, the trio embarked on a series of expeditions that would take them to the farthest reaches of the globe, their hearts brimming with excitement, and their spirits ablaze with the promise of discovery. Their first stop was the sun-kissed shores of a remote tropical island, where azure waters lapped against golden sands and palm trees swayed in the gentle breeze. Here, they delved into the depths of the ocean, diving beneath the surface to explore coral reefs teeming with vibrant life and hidden caves adorned with shimmering crystals. As they ventured deeper into the watery abyss, they encountered creatures of wondrous beauty and unfathomable mystery, a kaleidoscope of colors dancing beneath the waves, a symphony of life echoing through the silent depths. But their journey did not end there. From the sun-drenched shores of the tropics, they ventured into the heart of the Amazon rainforest, where towering trees stretched towards the heavens, and the air hummed with the song of 1,000 unseen creatures. In the depths of the jungle, they encountered tribes steeped in ancient traditions and wisdom passed down through generations. They listened to stories whispered around crackling fires, tales of gods and monsters, heroes and villains, weaving a tapestry of myth and legend that spoke to the very soul of the land. With each new adventure, Sarah, Jack, and Emily found themselves drawn deeper into the tapestry of the world, their thirst for knowledge matched only by their sense of wonder and awe. They scaled towering peaks and crossed windswept deserts, explored forgotten ruins and traversed treacherous landscapes, their footsteps leaving echoes in the sands of time. But amidst the exhilaration of discovery, they also faced trials and tribulations that tested the limits of their resolve. They weathered storms that raged with the fury of 1,000 tempests, navigated treacherous terrain fraught with danger at every turn, and confronted adversaries whose shadows loomed large against the canvas of the unknown. Yet through it all, they remained steadfast in their friendship, bound together by a bond that transcended the boundaries of time and space. For in the crucible of adventure, they had discovered not only the depths of their own courage, but the true meaning of camaraderie, a shared journey, a shared destiny, and a shared legacy that would endure for generations to come. And so, as they stood beneath the vast expanse of stars once more, their hearts brimming with memories of the adventures that had shaped them, Farrell, Jack, and Emily knew that their journey was far from over. For the world was vast and full of wonders yet to be discovered, and with each new horizon, they would write another chapter in the epic tale of their lives.